Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I post weekly videos about all things print on demand, so if you're interested in growing your print on demand business, then subscribe to my channel for more content coming your way. Today I'll be talking about the upcoming holiday season and help you find some inspiration to start your holiday designs. In today's video, I'll be using Canva to make my designs. If you haven't used it before, it's a free online graphic design platform that's super easy to use. It's actually way easier to use than any other graphic design platform that I've ever used, and I've tried a lot of them. You really don't have to have any previous graphic design experience to become a pro on Canva. It's super quick to learn and pretty self-explanatory when you're actually in the platform. If you watch this video and are interested in trying Canva for yourself, I actually have a free 1-month Canva Pro trial for you guys down in the description below, so might as well try that out for some of your holiday designs. But enough about Canva for now, let's get into the designs, and stay tuned to the end of this video if you want to see a total of 3 holiday themed designs that are completely different from each other. So my first design is an aesthetic minimal design. So obviously, as you guys know, this is kind of my vibe and my theme on my store, and it's a very popular one across all print on demand platforms. So I'm going to do a quick and easy design for you guys to use on pretty much all the products that Redbubble has to offer, and it's just kind of a trendy minimal design that I think a lot of people would like. First minimal design, I'm just looking on the Christmas section just because that's the theme that I'm gonna go with, but you can kind of do any holiday theme around this season. Yeah, maybe I'll type in Christmas simple and see if anything comes up. Oh, okay, that kind of worked. So just kind of like outlines of stuff. Kind of like this one. We do something like this, and then maybe like a Merry Christmas in the middle or Happy Holidays. I kind of like this one too. I might just leave it there to keep it and have it. Let's see if I write in Merry Christmas what comes up. Oh, this one looks nice. You can also just write your own as well with like whatever font that you like, but I'm just trying to keep this as simple as possible just so you guys get the idea and show you, what it could look like. Okay, I'm gonna start actually working on this and see what it looks like. And if you guys want to know how to use Canva, I'm kind of just going through the stuff now as if you already do know how to use it, but I have a brief tutorial about getting set up with Canva and everything, so I'll put that on the screen right now. You guys can check it out. And as a side note, you're not supposed to use Canva Pro elements for print on demand, so right now I'm not even looking at if they're pro or not. I'm just like making stuff to show you guys what you can do, but when you are making your own designs, make sure they're free and then you'll be able to use them, or just make your own elements and then, there's obviously no concern. I think this is kind of cute because, it makes it look like this is a Christmas ornament, even though it's just spelling out Merry Christmas in fancy lettering and then some holly or whatever that is. So I think that's also very cute. Okay, I think that's good. So when you are downloading, make sure you select PNG, highest quality image, and also if you have a transparent background, that will make sure that it stays transparent. And then in the sizing here, as you can see, the default is 5,000 by 5,000. Now, if you don't have Canva Pro, the maximum size you can get is 5,000 by 5,000. So that was actually one of the main reasons I upgraded to Canva Pro, and one of the best things about it, because you can increase the size by 3 times, and that will cover any item in Redbubble. So whether it's the duvet covers, any of the larger items, it will make sure that the image covers the entire thing. So I'm going to save it today as 12,500 by 12,500, and that will be good enough for everything. So make sure you just only select the page that you're working on, because then it will accidentally download all of them and take a lot of time. And then all you have to do is download it, and then once it downloads, you can save it to your desktop or wherever you have your designs. So after all that designing, here is the final design. As you can see, it looks amazing, and it's just something cute, simple, that I think anyone would love to receive as a Christmas gift. Alright, so for my second design, I'm going to do a funny holiday quote. So this is definitely not up my alley, and I'm trying to learn how to do these type of designs because I want to take it to other platforms. But I think a lot of designs that have the quote, especially the funny quote design, are very popular, and people like to buy it because it's a great gift for anyone that has a sense of humor. So let's get into this design.
Then I'm going to do a funny-ish Christmas quote. So I went to the text section here in Canva and just added a heading. So this one, I just found this quote on Pinterest. I'm not actually going to use it, but you know, make sure your quotes are copyright free before you use them. So I thought this one was kind of cute and funny, so I'm going to use it. Naughty is the new nice. So this will take up like most of the image or whatever. And now I'm just going to change the font to make it look a little bit better. I'm thinking this could be something that's nice on a mug or a t-shirt, something like that. So I still want to make sure it looks good. And then make that white so it stands out. I don't know, I feel like the font doesn't stand out enough though, so I'm gonna keep looking. Oh, I can't decide between these three. Okay, honestly, I like them all, but I think this one kind of makes it feel more Christmassy. I don't know. I saw this like similar image on Pinterest and like I loved it, so I'm just like trying to recreate it subconsciously, and when I looked at it, it's pretty similar to the one on Pinterest, but I'm not going to use this, but it's just showing you like kind of something that you could do. Okay, well, if you could, I think it'd be nice to change the opacity on this splatter to make it a little less intense. Duplicate. See, I like that you can just easily duplicate things and try out like similar designs because you don't have to get rid of all your work. Yeah, I think this one's better because it lets you read the words easier and it's not as intense.
Okay, so the final product is right here, and I actually really like how it turned out. It's like I said, it's not my typical design, but I think that it would be a really good seller, and it's something that is pretty universal to anyone. And my final design is one of my favorite things to design and one of my favorite types of designs to post on print on demand, and that is going to be a holiday themed pattern. So as I said before, patterns are really good sellers for me, and I think they're really good sellers in general because they go with a lot of things and they look good on a lot of items. So let's get into this design and see what I come up with.
I'm going to now make my pattern design, and I'm just going to go into the elements side on the left hand menu here. Okay, I think I might do like a cool white images with a colored background design. That might be kind of cool. Before I add the images, I'm going to change the background so that I can easily see what I'm working with. So let's do a blue for snow, or like just winter kind of. I'm trying to get the right blue here because I want it to look wintry and not summery. Okay, let's just leave that for now. And then I'm going to add some elements. Oh, I guess it automatically went black. Here, I can make it white here. Okay, so as you can see here, I actually kind of moved away from the first pattern and decided to do all snowflakes because I thought that looked kind of cute with the blue background, and I saw there was a lot of snowflakes available, so I thought that'd be a nice wintry pattern and a nice pattern that could just like go around the home as a design, and like pillows and all sorts of things like that, coasters, anything like that. So I think I'm actually done this one. You can definitely like interchange the background with any color. So let's say we can do red to make it really Christmassy. We can do green. You know, any shade of blue really works. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave mine blue because that's kind of the color I'm feeling with this design. There we go. Okay, so that one is done. All you have to do is click download and you're good to go. Just download it and then save it onto your desktop or wherever you save your designs.
Okay, so this one's actually one of my favorites. As you can see, it turned out super cute, and it really looks good on pretty much like any product you put it on. I think it's something that people might even buy for themselves, not just for a gift, because if they want to decorate their homes, this is a great option. So it's nice to have design options that people can not only buy for gifts but also for themselves, so that you really get a wider market of people. All right, so those were 3 of my holiday design ideas and inspirations. So take what you want from this video, and I hope that it inspired you to start your designs, or at least gave you some ideas of what you might want to design. So that's kind of why I like putting these ones out there, because even for me, when I see videos of other people doing things, then I'm like, oh, I should probably do that too, or oh yeah, that inspired me to start, and at least get the ball rolling on whatever project I'm working on. Let me know which design was your favorite in the comments below, and I'd love to see your designs for the holidays, so definitely tag me on Instagram if you post them or have shared them anywhere. I'd love to see them. And subscribe to my channel if you want to see more holiday inspiration coming your way, or print-on-demand content in general. I really appreciate everyone that subscribes, and thank you guys for all the support. You have all been amazing. I can't wait to bring more content to you guys and help you guys grow your print-on-demand businesses. But that's all I have for today, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.